What started as Elon Musk's quirky idea for a retro-futuristic diner has evolved into something far more sinister and revolutionary than anyone realized. After spending a week diving deep into Tesla's new AI-powered restaurant, I discovered this isn't just about serving burgers. It's about creating the blueprint for a world where human workers become completely obsolete. Tesla has opened its first diner supercharger station in Los Angeles, bringing a long-teased vision from Elon Musk to life. Google AI Studio. On the surface, it looks like a brilliant marketing strategy. Combine car charging with entertainment and food service. But when you look at what's actually happening inside this diner, you realize you're witnessing the beta test for the complete automation of the service industry. Food is delivered by roller skating staff and Optimus robots, Tesla's new android that Musk has pitched as the future of automated assistance following its launch in 2024. The future of AI is here. Google's mind-blowing real-time. Streaming by Quintin Del Viero. Jan, 2025. Medium. But here's what the media isn't telling you. This isn't just robots helping humans. This is the systematic replacement of human workers with machines that work 24 hours a day, never take breaks, never ask for raises, and never quit. I visited the Tesla diner personally, and what I witnessed was both fascinating and deeply unsettling. The retro-futurist Tesla diner offers 80 EV chargers with a side of privilege. Tesla drivers get their food faster and enjoy exclusive access to bathrooms. Google AI Studio Stream Real-Time by Kendra Ramirez. But the real story isn't about customer experience. It's about what's happening behind the scenes. Tesla Diner is an experiment where Optimus robots perform real-world tasks, like serving food or interacting and communicating with customers, showing that Tesla robots can run not just factories or warehouses, but restaurants and perhaps even businesses. Beyond Jarvis, how Google's Stream Real-Time is making sci-fi UI design a reality, by Adrian Levy, Bootcamp Medium. This is Elon Musk's testing ground for complete workplace automation. The Optimus robots aren't just serving food, they're learning. Every interaction with customers, every movement through the restaurant, every task they complete is being recorded and analyzed by Tesla's AI systems. They're building a database of how to completely run a service business without human employees. Tesla has unveiled the official renders of the Optimus V3 humanoid robot, with the third iteration showcasing a cleaner aesthetic compared to its predecessors, with previously exposed mechanical elements now concealed beneath a seamless exterior shell. What is Google AI Studio and how to use it in 2025 now? By Chandler K. Parsu, Around the Prompt Medium. These aren't the clunky robots from science fiction movies. They're becoming increasingly human-like in appearance and capability. But here's where it gets really interesting and terrifying. The CEO is already eyeing expansion for his Tesla diner dishing merchandise and food served by Optimus robots. Google AI Studio Review 2025. Prototyping, features and comparisons. This isn't a one-off experiment. Musk is planning to scale this model across multiple locations. Think about the economic implications. A traditional restaurant employs dozens of people: servers, cooks, cleaning staff, managers, cashiers. The Tesla diner is systematically replacing each of these roles with robots that cost a one-time purchase price and minimal maintenance costs. However, the reality isn't as smooth as Tesla's marketing suggests. The truth about Tesla's robot workforce is far more complex and concerning than their polished promotional videos suggest. Tesla can only get the Optimus robot to serve popcorn for a short period before it fails, even with the use of human teleoperation. Yet Musk claims that Tesla will make 100,000 of these next year and sell them to customers. Google readies upgrade to Stream Real-Time in AI Studio. This reveals something crucial that Tesla doesn't want you to know. Many of these autonomous robots are actually being controlled by human operators behind the scenes. It's essentially an elaborate puppet show designed to convince investors and the public that the technology is further along than it actually is. But here's why this makes the situation even more dangerous for workers. Tesla is using the diner as a massive training ground for their AI systems. Every time a human operator controls an Optimus robot, That data is being fed into machine learning algorithms that are learning how to replicate those exact movements and decisions autonomously. The restaurant is open 24 hours a day and aims to provide an entertainment-rich experience while drivers wait for their cars to charge, with humanoid Tesla robots called Optimus offering services to guests. Real-time streaming feature, Stream, multiple screens, Google AI Studio, Google AI Developers Forum. This 24/7 operation is impossible with human workers due to labor costs and regulations. But robots can work continuously without breaks. The business model is brilliant and terrifying. Tesla is not just selling cars anymore. They're creating an entire ecosystem where Tesla owners get premium treatment at Tesla-operated businesses staffed by Tesla robots. It's a closed-loop economy that could eventually exclude anyone who doesn't own Tesla products. According to Tesla's Master Plan Part 4, Optimus autonomous humanoid robots are changing not only the perception of labor itself, but its availability and capability with jobs and tasks that are particularly monotonous or dangerous now accomplished by other means. Real-time streaming and camera input in Google AI Studio, a comprehensive guide. This is not just about replacing fast food workers. Tesla is positioning Optimus as the solution to all manual labor. The psychological impact on workers is already becoming apparent. When I interviewed current restaurant employees about the Tesla diner, the fear in their voices was unmistakable. They're watching their industry get automated in real time, and they know their jobs are next. But there's an even bigger picture here that most people are missing. Tesla's diner isn't just about restaurants. It's about creating a template for the complete automation of service industries. Once they perfect the model of running a restaurant with robots, they can apply the same systems to retail stores, hotels, banks, and virtually any business that involves human customer interaction. The economic implications are staggering. Millions of service industry jobs could disappear within the next decade as Tesla and other companies scale this technology. We're potentially looking at the largest displacement of workers since the Industrial Revolution. The most concerning part is the timeline. While the robots are still clunky and require human assistance today, the rate of improvement in AI and robotics is accelerating exponentially. What seems impossible today could be standard practice within 5 years. Tesla's diner represents more than just a new business venture. It's a glimpse into a future where human labor becomes increasingly irrelevant. The question isn't whether this technology will advance to the point where it can replace human workers completely. The question is what happens to society when it does. We're witnessing the beginning of the end of work as we know it, and it's happening one robot-served burger at a time.